Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if Wuthering Waves is crashing on your Windows PC. There could be a multiple causes such as outdated drivers, software conflicts, or hardware issues. Here is a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem. The first step is to update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause crashes. To update your graphics driver, you just need to open up a GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for this download link. For AMD users, open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After doing this, just to close it off here. The second step is to verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to crashes. Verifying the integrity of game files can resolve the issue. To do this, open up Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to Wuthering Waves and select Manage. Select Verify. Wait for this to complete. After getting verified done, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. The third step is to disable overlays. Overlays from applications like Discord, Steam, or NVIDIA GeForce Experience can sometimes cause crashes. To disable that, first we will disable in Discord. Open up Discord and select the user settings. On left side, scroll down and select the game overlay. You just need to turn off the enable in-game overlay. Turn it off. After turning off, just close it off here. And the second thing, we need to turn it off in Steam. Click on the Steam tab and select settings. Select in game. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. You just need to turn it off. After turning off, just close it off here. The third thing, we need to disable NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay. To do this, open up GeForce Experience. Select the setting gear icon. And you just need to scroll down. You can able to see in-game overlay. You just need to toggle it off. After toggling off the in-game overlay, just to close it off here. The fourth step is to update Windows. Ensure your operating system is up to date, as updates can fix compatibility issues. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Comes up Windows Update settings, click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After doing this, just to close it up here. The fifth step is to reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ Redistributables. Reinstalling DirectX and Visual C++ Redistributables can fix missing or corrupted files that are required to run the game. To reinstall that, you just need to check my video description for the download link. DirectX, select the download option and download it. Visual C++, scroll down. Depending on what type of bit you have, select the link and download it. If you are using 32-bit, then select this link. And if you are using 64-bit, select this link. After getting download done, you just need to install both applications. And after getting installed done, you just need to restart your PC, guys. The sixth step is to adjust in-game settings. Lowering certain settings can help resolve stability issues. You just need to press in keyboard escape key. Click on the setting gear icon. Select the picture icon to open up graphics settings. And graphics quality set to low. And scroll down. Frame rate you can set it to 60 or below. If you want shadow quality low, special effect quality set it to low, LOD BIOS set it to low, capsule AO turn it on, volumetric fog turn it off, volumetric lighting turn it off, motion blur turn it off, anti-aliasing turn it off, VSync turn it off. After doing all these changes, just to close off here. The seventh step is to check for software conflicts. Certain background application can conflict with the games. To check that, you just need to go to search menu and type Task Manager. Click on open it. Go to Startup Apps. and you just need to disable any unnecessary startup application. Right click on it and select disable it. After doing this, just close it off here and restart your computer and try launching the game again. The eighth step is to increase virtual memory. Increasing virtual memory can help if the crash is related to insufficient memory. To do this, go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Click on open it. Select advanced tab under the performance, select settings. Select advanced under the virtual memory, select change. You just need to uncheck the option automatically manage pegging file size for all drives. Select your system drive, usually C drive, and then select custom size. Set installer size to the recommended value. In my case 2939. The maximum size to double the installer size, guys. To do this, go to search menu and type calculator, click on open it. Just type the value 2 times and place it. 2939 plus 2939 is equal to, this is the value of maximum size. Just paste it and click on OK. Click on OK again. Click on OK. Just to close it up here. And you need to restart your computer, guys. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the crashing issue in Wuthering Waves on your Windows PC. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.